Hello students, I am Anshul Kamra, your instructor. I'm going to teach you today how to use command prompts in effective ways. I'm going to discuss a few of the tips and tricks. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to teach you how to open command prompt. Choose any random folder in your system and click over here, write CMD and enter. That's it. You're gonna get this black window on your screen, and this is called as your command line interpreter. And over here you can try different commands. There are plenty of commands that you must have learned in different phases of your life while working with computers, but today I'm going to teach you about some of the tips and tricks. Firstly, I'm going to teach you about how to change the color of the text. You can notice we are having a black screen and there is a white text in front of you. Now, if you want to change this text color from white to some other color, then how to do it? So the command name for this is color, but how to use this command, for that you just need to write help space color and enter. Here are the instructions of how to use it. Okay, you can check it out on your screen right now that there are different numbers specifying different colors. Now you can use these numbers in order to change the color of the text. Firstly, press any key to continue. Then write color, space. Then you just need to write suppose 05. 5 is the color for purple. So here's the text color change to purple. Now same command, write color, space 04, change to red, then color, color space 02, boom, it's changed. So these are the ways of changing the text of the command prompt, and it's totally up to you. Whatever suits you, you can keep that. Now I am moving to the basic by default color, that is white, color space 07. Done. It's that easy. Now you can choose whatever suits according to your needs. That's it. See you in the next class, guys. Thank you.